guys, welcome to Mac's house, and in today's video we are styling the edges and baby hairs in the front of my little one's hair. I am using the Eco Styling Gel to do this, and that's pretty much the only product that I'm using in the front. I've had the best results using this gel, so it's kind of my holy grail in terms of slicking down the baby hair. And just FYI, this video is a part 2. If you want to see the entire hairstyle, I will have it linked to the end of this video. It only took about 20-30 minutes, give or take, with me recording. I hope that this video is helpful and that you guys enjoy it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions below and just your experience and products that you've used. So now I'm just cleaning up the rest of her hair. The front is laid, and when I say it looks good, honey, I was loving the results. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love how this hairstyle came out and everything about it. Make sure you check out part 1 for the rest of this hairstyle.